boys and girls. Today I have a story about a cat, a little cat who was lonely. Do you suppose somebody will come along and, well, I don't know, make her happy or keep her company? Well, let's see what happens. Meow, meow. Oh. Good morning, cat. Oh, pig. Good morning. Why are you crying, little cat? Oh, because I am lonely. Well, I am lonely too. Let us live together in your beautiful house. You want to live with me? Yes. Well, first, I must hear you sing. Oh, I sing nicely. My piggies love to hear me. Okay. Oink, 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 oink. I have a beautiful, lovely voice. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, that's okay, pig. Please just stop singing, for I do not like your voice. I would rather live alone, thank you. Please go away. Oh, no one is really having a good voice here. Oh. Well, hello, little cat. Oh, hello, hen. Why are you crying, little one? Because I am lonely. Well, I am lonely too. Let's live together in your beautiful house. Would you want to live with me in my house? Oh, yes. Well, first, I must hear you sing. Oh, my chicks think I have a beautiful voice. Cluck, 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 cluck. I've got a lovely voice. Cluck, 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 cluck. Oh, I'm sorry, hen, but please stop singing and go away. I guess I'm not just a clucker. Oh, well, I never. Oh. Good morning, cat. Good morning, duck. How are you? Oh, I'm fine, but you don't seem too well. Why are you crying? Oh, duck, I'm lonely. Well, I am lonely too. Let us live together and keep each other company. Are you sure you'd want to live with me? Oh, I'm sure you would be fine company. Well, fine, but first I must hear you sing. Really? Well, I do have a delightful voice if I do say so. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, that will never work. I'm just not a quacking kind of person. Please go away. Doesn't know good music when she hears it. Oh. Nothing seems to be an answer here. I'm just lonely.
Well, poor Miss Cat, whatever's the matter?
Oh, good morning, horse. I'm crying because I'm so lonely.
It just so happens that I'm lonely too. I shall join you in your house and we'll both be happy.
Would you really?
Yes, indeedy.
Well then, I really need to hear you sing. You don't mind, do you?
Definitely not. I am known far and wide for my fine neighing. Neigh, 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 nay, 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 nay.
I'm sorry, but that will never do. Just too harsh sounding to me. Please leave, horse.
Harsh sounding, harsh sounding. She must be hard of hearing. Huh?
Oh. Oh. No one can sing as sweetly as I need.
Well, good morning, my dear little cat. Why in the world are you crying?
Oh, good morning, Rooster. It's just that I am so lonely.
What a coincidence! I am lonely too. I'll just move into your house and we won't be lonely.
I'm sure that would be lovely, but would you mind singing a little for me?
Singing? Singing is one of the things I do best. Each morning I waken the world with my song.
Oh, good. Oh, okay, go ahead.
Oh, now you mean?
Yes, now.
Cock-a-doodle-doo-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-dee.
No, that's quite enough, Rooster. I guess I'm not a morning person. Please leave.
Well, I guess cat can just sleep all day. See if I care. Huh.
Oh, dear. No one seems to be able to just sing sweetly. Oh. Oh, my dear cat, why are you crying so? I'm so very lonely. Well, I am lonely too. Let us live together in your lovely house. Well, I don't know. There is just one thing. Yes, first I must hear you sing. Sing? I sing sweetly. Everyone says so. Quee, 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 quee. Oh, your voice is lovely. I should love to share my home with you.
Oh, good.